In this video, we will show the best L'Oreal hair spa products available to buy. At number 10. L'Oreal Hair Spa Set. It is enriched with glycerin and purified water, leaves scalp soft and supple, hydrates, leaves scalp soft and supple. At number 9. L'Oreal Paris Hair Spa Vitalizing Cream Bath. The hair gains manageability and softness for healthy-looking hair with a beautiful shine. For dual action on hair and scalp, blend this cream bath with the appropriate scalp concentrate. At number 8. L'Oreal Professionnel Hair Spa Detoxifying Shampoo. It is enriched with tea tree oil, an anti-dandruff agent and cooling menthol. This detoxifying shampoo cleanses and relieves your scalp from impurities, dandruff, excess oil. At number 7. L'Oreal Hair Spa Nourishing Creambath Combo. It is enriched with water lily and purified water. This deep nourishing cream bath intensely nourishes your hair inside and out. At number 6. L'Oreal Hair Spa Color Pure Combo Shampoo. L'Oreal Professionnel for fresh clean roots and hydrated ends to reveal your hair color. Infused with clay geranium oil and UV filters, it provides radiance and protects your colored hair. At number 5. L'Oreal Hair Spa Combo Set, Hair Mask, enriched with water lily and purified water. This deep nourishing cream bath intensely nourishes your hair both inside and out. At number 4. L'Oreal Hair Spa Smoothing Cream Bath, mixed with water lily, smoothing agents and glycerin. This hair spa cream controls the volume of your hair, strengthening it from the roots in the process. At number 3. L'Oreal Professionnel Hair Spa Hydrating Concentrate. It deeply treats and gorges the fiber with nutrients and moisture for healthy, soft and shiny hair full of life. Direction of use: apply on shampooed hair, towel, dried hair. At number 2. L'Oreal Paris Hair Spa Deep Nourishing Cream Bath for dry hair. This hair spa cream will give you smoother, shinier and softer hair over time. Through massage, the hair is left silky, soft, hydrated, easy to manage, and shiny. At number 1. L'Oreal Paris Hair Spa Repairing Cream Bath for damaged hair. It is for damaged, sensitized hair. The repairing cream bath is formulated with purified water and gentle ingredients, shea butter and avocado oil, to deeply nourish the hair.